Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Facebook tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can block people from having their tags appearing on your profile. It's very annoying, and when you hop on Facebook and then you see these people, their pictures and their links on your profile, it's very annoying. I'm going to show you how you can block that on your Facebook. So in this video I'll be using Facebook Lite. I have Facebook installed on my phone, but then it's very slow, so I'm not going to use it for the tutorial. I'm going to use Facebook Lite, and the procedure is the same on Facebook official website because these two apps are from Facebook. The features and everything is the same. So now let's get going. So let's tap on settings here to do this, and now let's scroll down to profile and tagging, and now let's move here. You can see people who can see posts they are tagged in. You'd have to change all these sections, something like that. So when you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience if they can't already see it? So this one you choose friends, and here you choose friends as well. And here, if you've not checked these boxes, you are going to get these tags appear on your profile, especially this review post. You are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. So if I go somewhere and I go and post my pictures, or I go and open a link and then they create a post and they tag me, I would have to review this tag before the tag appears on my profile. So if you don't review it and you approve it, it's never going to appear on your profile. So every day your profile is going to entail on things you have approved, things you accept that it should be on your profile, something like that. So when you hop on my Facebook profile, you're not going to see anything. I don't approve anything. It's only me there. So that's it. So you check this. If you've not checked this, it's going to be like this. So check it, turn it off. Turn it on. And then here too, you turn it on as well. And that's it. So after turning these two options on, anytime somebody tags you, you would need to approve it. You're going to get a notification. So you'd have to approve it before it appears on your Facebook profile. Else it's not going to appear on your profile. So that's it on how you can block people from posting on your Facebook profile. So if you are new here, kindly do well to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here, I'll say thank you for visiting me once again. So peace.